What's up, everyone? Just wanted to do another quick video here of basketball. I don't collect basketball. I don't watch basketball. I only collected when Jordan was playing and Chris Webber. He was my favorite player in basketball. So I got the two Chris Webbers, the classic rookie. It's a limited print, one out of 63,400. I don't know how limited that is, but my buddy's kid, big basketball fan. So when I finally found some cards, I told him, I said, hey, whatever I get, you can have. I don't watch it. I mean, obviously, no LeBron James and a couple of the other big guys, but he's huge into it, and I just like opening up packs and boxes. So I told him, you can have whatever I get. So just wanted to say thanks again to everybody that subscribed. Appreciate it. First, we'll do, I found these at the dollar store. 2018-19 Donruss. Can't find hockey, baseball, football at the dollar store, but they have a ton of these. And then found this at Walmart. It says you get 3 fat packs, 4 factory sealed packs, 1 autograph or relic, and a bonus item. So, like I said, I don't collect basketball anymore. I don't watch it. I watch college basketball. I don't watch pros. So this is basically just for my buddy's kid. So I just enjoy opening up the packs. Good thing I'm not a hand model, because geez, oh man, hands are beat up. All right. Jeez. This always happens when I want to make a short video. Packs are impossible to get open. But like I said, I have no clue on who these people are. Nope. Never heard of one of those. But my buddy's kid, I'm sure he'll know every single one of them. He'll be calling me an idiot for not knowing who they are. Jeez, oh man. So I'm not even gonna try. Kevin Durant, I know who that is. Denzel Valentine. Nope. Like I said, I just enjoy opening up the packs. I figured $1 a piece, and he'll like every card. So all right. Oh, you know what? I'm trying to open them by myself without scissors. Aaron Holiday, Derrick Rose, Hield, Eric Bledsoe. Yep, never heard of one of those. Luca, D'Angelo Russell, Conley. Yep. Never heard of any of that. It's alright. Like I said, it's fun. He'll like all of them. And he'll know every single person. Alright. Let's get into this championship collection. I had to keep the Steelers because I don't have anything basketball. Alright. See what we got here. Well, there's the autograph. Myers Leonard. No clue. Travel tag. Chicago Bulls. I guess that's the bonus item. Does it really matter? Rip into them. What year is this? 1670. Roy Josen. Wade Baldwin. Nuggets 15. Navy Threads. John Stockton, heard of him. I mean, Karl Malone, Tony Parker, him and Tim Duncan. Alright, I don't even know what this is. What do you do with this? Threads? Whatever. Alright, we got some NBA hoops. Used to have NBA hoops when used to collect some Jordan. Webber were playing. And Latrell Sprewell, he's another guy. Tracy McGrady, him. Even this day I hate getting coach cards. Alright, we got next. 2014-15 NBA hoops. With Kobe on the front. Alright. Go in. Knock the phone over. Kyle Anderson. Derrick Rose numbered. I know who that is. 293 at 299. That's not a bad one. Chuck Hayes. right 9. Andre Jordan. He'll like that one. Number card. Actually, somebody I've heard of. Another one. Kobe. Joe Anthony. I don't know who any of these guys are. Courtside. Chris Paul. Or Chris Paul. Wade. Not Wade is. Mike Miller. All right. It's so funny too. Even if I give him common cards, he don't care. He just loves basketball. Snell. I asked him if he wanted to open them, and he said, "No, go ahead and open them." So I said, "All right." Faces of the future. Michael Carter Williams. Kevin Love. George Hill. All right. What we got left here? We got 35 cards. Chase Rare autographs. These are actually pretty cool. They're like old school. Too bad Kevin Love again. James Harden, I know who that is. He's actually pretty good. A lot of rookies, but I don't know who they are. Stoudemire. What are Donruss 1670. Dwayne Wade, that is. Durant. Dwayne Wade. It's actually numbered 3/99. Press proof. You'll like that one. Derrick Rose. I do know who that is too. New York Knicks. He'll like that one. And that's it. It was fun looking through some basketball cards. He'll like all those. Even though I have no idea who probably 98% of them are. But alright. Have a good one.